ticket to fun.
A cat is a dream come true with fur.
A cat is an animal in your house that you're okay with.
Cats are your best shot at having a cat.
So come on down for our Valentine's Day cat giveaway here at Whiskers Are We. Hi, I'm Barbara DeDrew.
And I'm Tabitha, but I changed it to Tabitha because of cats.
You're freaking nuts.
So, many of these rescue cats come from owners who didn't value their specialness.
So let's take a look at today's fee lineup,
Okay.
shall we? This is Riley.
Oh.
She's a millennial. She uses the Twitter box.
But I think she's a troll because she fills it with crap. Oh, I said it. I don't care.
You're a cornball.
No, I'm a hornball.
Cool it, we're on camera. Don't adjust your set.
Uh-oh.
Toby is a hairless cat, but he wasn't born that way.
I covered him with Nair and ripped out all his hair, and now he's got a bone to pick with me.
He'll thank you come swimsuit season.
Oh, look who we have here. This is William.
You should know, William hasn't been neutered yet, so he still wears condoms.
He always leaves the little wrappers everywhere, like, we get it, dude.
No wonder. This is Sprinkles.
Sprinkles has a sad history. He was involved in medical experimentation.
He would put lipstick in rabbits' eyes until they screamed.
Little jerk ass. He still's nice to pet, though.
Tabitha, I put the cat down already, and I think you know that.
Well, I can't help it.
Please, we both know you're just doing this to piss off your senator father.
Well,
We call this cat OJ because he's orange like the juice and a murderer like the athlete.
I find him guilty of being adorable.
And again, murder.
Well,
And this is Whiskers. I don't know if you can tell, but Whiskers is a dog in a cat costume.
we think it's kind of a Mrs. Doubtfire situation.
He has to pretend to be a cat so he can see his kids. Anyway, come on down to Whiskers Are We.
Our policy is bring a bag and we'll put a cat in it.
Okay, time to climb up on the scratching post,
Yep.
I guess.
There we go.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Whiskers Are We Valentine's Cat Giveaway. See you there.